Hey guys and family, today we are talking about Facebook new 2025 update A/B testing feature for your posts. A/B means comparing two variations of a post to see which one of that working better. Facebook now lets you create lets creator to upload two captions, two thumbnails or two variations, and it automatically tests them. To use, you need to open your Facebook or open your Facebook page, then go to profile and click on a reel or a post just to create a new one. And here you need to select A/B test. Alright, and upload to versions A and version B. Facebook will show each one to a small audience and track engagement. After testing, Facebook automatically publish the best performing version to the rest of your followers. This feature helps you grow faster and post smarter. If you want more Facebook updates like this, don't forget to subscribe, Guidezen. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and best of luck.